This is 100% pure jojoba oil from Trader Joe's Spa. So drinking water, staying hydrated, minding the business that pays you, and moisturizing with 100% jojoba oil will keep your mind, your body aligned. You can use it for anything. I actually use it as a gentle cleanser. So when I'm having to remove any makeup, cleansing clogged pores, softening my skin, and moisturizing. And I love it because you can also use it in your hair, skin, scalp, and it's just refreshing. It's 100% pure jojoba oil. It's a natural plant extract. And again, it's just one of my favorite things that I get from Trader Joe's. You only need a little bit to go a long way. It makes a great carrier oil when you're creating your own essential oils. And I put a little bit on in my hands here, and I just kind of rub it together, and I moisturize. It penetrates the skin really nicely. So like I said, you only need a little bit. And then you just speak loving affirmations into your body. Like, I love you, arms. I love you, hands. It kind of adds this like natural glow. Anyone who has dry skin, I know that sometimes my scalp gets super dry in the winter, so I like to use this a little bit more in addition to some shea butter that I have as well. Quality and affordable. That's the beautiful thing about this specific oil that I get from Trader Joe's, because you know it's gonna be a good product. You know, they do a great job of vetting things that they bring inside their stores. So specifically from their spa section, this is my favorite.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.